about it. We got to score over there. Go over
Why
here.
does it smell like candy?
Okay, I'll put you in the front. Go. There you go. Go, Alex. Go, Alex. Boys, watch out.
Cross now. Spread. Watch the game.
Nice, Eli. Nice.
Oh, I got high. Nicholas.
Go, Cam. Go, Cam. Go, Landon.
All right, Primo, come
Nice.
here. Come here. Hey, chicken.
Hey, that was a good kick, though. That was a good kick. Come on.
Yes, we're changing sides. Look what I got. Ty, Noah, and Cody. You guys are all.
Hey, get ready. We're about to come in. Come on, come on. Come on.
Daniel, Abel,
Go,
and then
Alex.
Dyson and Gold. Okay? Is everyone good? You know real quick.
Nicholas, come here.
Ready? Come on, guys.
Cole,
Let's
Cole.
get a goal. Let's get a goal.
Sub. Guys, come on out.
Ready?
Kaden,
Triple swords on
Alex,
three.
Eli,
Ready?
come
1,
on.
2, 3. Triple swords.
CJ, drop back. Damien, drop back. Cam, Landon, come up. Drop back for this one,
Are you
yeah.
okay, man?
On that side, Landon. Go. There you go, Cam. Go. Nice. Go, Nicholas. Hey, buddy, don't think too much. Just do. You know what I mean? Hey, Nicholas, come here. You got the moves. Just get jiggy with it. Yeah, exactly. Don't think too much. Just move. Just do it.
Spread out.
What is it?
Gotta go back. See. Back.
Go ahead, CJ. CJ, down the line over there. Landon.
DMC.
Landon, widen out. He's going to go to you.
I want you to get it. It's in. Go get it. Put me that ball.
Nice.
Up, Ty. Come on, Ty. Up.
Physical, Nick. Physical.
Here, Cody. Good try. Back up.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Back up.
Back up, guys.
Logan,
Back up, Cody.
Oh, good shot, dude. Good shot. Hey, great shot, Landon. Great shot. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Nicholas, go.
Watch it.
There you
Go
go,
get it,
Cam.
Liam.
Straight out, guys. Good try. Way to be there. Way to be there. Hey, Cam.
Guys.
Create some space. Pull back.
Wait for them to go back.
Nice, CJ. Go, Landon. Go. Oh, good left, dude. Hey, good left, Landon. Good left. Nice. Hey, Landon. Landon, that's a really tough shot. Good shot, dude.
Hey, really good play.
Nice job, CJ.
Caleb, pro kiss.
Defense, guys. Defense.
DMC. To the back. Right here. Arthur. Liam.
There you go, CJ. Way to talk to him.
Arthur.
Nicholas, move up a tag.
Go.
Go, CJ. Go, Nicholas. Go, CJ. Just go. Got crosser. Hey, way to get going, though. Way to get going. CJ, way to get going. That's fine. Corner.
All right, defense.
Go ahead, Cam. Cam, go
Arthur,
ahead,
move. Liam.
Cam. Nicholas, play up.
Leo.
Right there. There you go.
Up.
No. Down here. No ball balls.
There it is,
Come
there it
on,
is,
sit
there
down
it is.
here.
Caleb, go.
Hey, good job. Hey,
There you go, now.
Leo.
slow.
Leo.
Hey, look. You're kind of like,
Forward.
hey, Nick, it's quick. Your feet are a little slow, okay? Get quick with it. Stay right there. You're good. Play up, man. Just play
Guys with the
up.
ball now. Let's run the game.
Jackson.
Nice job, Landon. Way to use your body.
Right there.
There you go, Cam. Nice,
Logan
Cam.
Jackson, charge it if they get it in front of you. Good
Good
job.
night,
Go,
Damien. There you go.
If you can turn it up, do it, but otherwise don't let it find you.
Nice, Damien. Nice, Damien. Nice. I got
Logan,
CJ.
drop,
Nice.
Logan, drop further back. Drop backward. And closer to the net.
Go. You got to cross her.
Right there, no, right there.
Step up, Damien. Step up. Eyes up, CJ.
Caleb.
Good try. Hey, boys. Playing very well right now. Keep it up.
Amo, turn around.
Cam, go, Cam.
Control the ball.
Straight up. Guys, good job. Cam, go hurry up, Cam.
Ref, stop.
Water break, water break. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
After him!
Oh, good block.
Nice, great job, great job.
Good job, Benson.
Hey, guys, bring it in, bring it in.
Huh? What's that? Are you sure? Almost over. We just started something here.
Hold on, hold on. You want to go? Are you sure?
No, let's get to it!
Just play out here. You're playing really good. You're playing really good. That's it. Boys, take it. Boys, playing great. I like it a lot. Okay. Hey guys, listen.
Logan, pay attention.
Let's go the same thing.
Big throw, big throw.
Let's go the same thing as we played. Go back to center.
Go, 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 go.
And then CJ come up.
Same kick, overside.
No,
Boom, there you go.
Damien
Get
for
it.
just a second, okay? Alright? And then
Get him, man. There you go.
stay in. I'm going to set a timer for 4 minutes. Got it? Alright, guys, go get set. Go. Hey, Landon, move back. Damien, move up. CJ, stay back. Nicholas, stay up here. Hey. Quick, I want to see it, right? Show me some cool stuff. Let's go. Make your set. Guys, we're going this way. Damien, drop.
There you go.
Nicholas, look at Damien.
Logan, back up. Back up. Logan, back up.
Go, Cam. There you go, Cam. Go get that, Nicholas. Don't put it in danger, Landon. Hey, that's good, dude. That's a good decision. No, Nick. Nick center mid. You're left wing. Damien, right wing.
Up here.
Defense, boys. Defense, Cam.
I'm on this side.
Damien, drop.
Oh, wait, I'll take it.
Cam, defense.
Purple, back up.
Damien. They need your help. There you go.
Get ready.
Go,
Go,
up,
go,
up,
go.
up, up.
Nice job, CJ.
There you go.
Watch, Arthur, watch the game.
Push, Nick, push.
Drop back.
Nice, Damien. Help him out, boys. Help him out. Help him out.
Go, Cody, go, Cody, go.
Go, Nick. He's coming in the middle.
Never to the middle like that, John.
Nice. Good try. Hey, that's a good shot, dude. That's a good shot. That's unlucky. Good shot. Hey, Cam, turn around, though. There it is. Patience back there. Patience. Hey, I'm going to put you at goal.
John.
Damien. Okay. Yeah, I know.
On the circle, John.
We're going to put, hey,
Right there.
go ahead. Go. Go, Cam.
Go after it.
Watch out, Damien. Watch out, Damien.
Yeah, pick it
Hey,
up.
Damien. Somebody's coming at you from the team. You got to move. You got to spread out so that, hey, Damien, listen to me. Damien, so that you create two options.
You got
okay?
it. Go to the sideline. Sideline.
Get ready, Cam.
Guys, over here. Come here. Guys, over here. Don't kick the ball.
Go. There you go. Cam, get
Guys,
ready.
we gotta stay here.
Nice job, Damien.
There you
Go,
go, Leo.
Another fence.
Go, Leo. Keep going, Leo. Keep fighting. Come on, Leo. Keep going, Leo.
Nice. Hey, boys, come on. Get ready. Get it out, guys. You need to get out of the field, guys.
Hands, William. Where's it going? Let's go. Jump
Don't put it in danger, Landon.
through the ball.
Nice. Spread out, guys.
Spread out.
Go, CJ, go. Spread to the middle.
Cody, down the line.
Ah, good try.
Let it out.
Good try. Hey,
Do it again.
CJ, good look.
Ref,
Good look.
Hey, ref, can you please give me that? It's gotta go to the sideline. Parents, sideline. The parent. No end line.
Back up.
Go, indicated, go.
He's gonna make it.
You got another goalie over there, Coach Patrick.
Like, Vino's gonna bring that grandpa.
Go ahead, Nick.
Yeah,
Stay
Away
there, stay
from
there.
the net! Away from the back of the net! Watch the blue! Watch the blue! Caleb behind you, Caleb!
And the kids.
Nice cross, Nick. Good
Hey,
cross.
yes, hey!
There you go.
Caleb, mark the blue! I need one of you.
Hey, Cam.
Liam, drop back, drop back, drop back,
Damien,
drop back.
My boys ready, come in.
Watch that guy right there with his hand up.
Hustle, hustle, Landon. Take it. Nice, Landon, nice.
1-0. So many shots on goal.
Good try. Sub. Damien, Timothy,
Colton, you're gonna go in and find it. No, you're not going to go in. Yes, you're in, baby. You're in. Daniel, we're gonna take. Abel, you gotta stay out.
Go. Get in there. Don't worry. Get in there.
All right, so we got.
No, you don't need it. Hurry up. We don't have time.
And
Sit.
yeah. Daniel, you're in. But Daniel, you gotta promise me something.
Let's go, Eli, Alex.
Stays back. Can you do that? And make sure that you stay back there. All right. Yeah, you gotta be
Eli,
out for a second.
all right, whichever. Just pick
Ready?
one. Pick one. Finish it up, boys. There you go, Cam. Spread out. Hey, good try.
That's fine, William, good.
A little hard, but good try.
Good job.
Hey, I like the vision, though. Play hard.
Refs up. John.
Hey, that was really good vision, though. So. Hey, go attack this, though, okay? Nicholas, Cam, CJ, attack this, okay?
Go, Caleb. Caleb up. Get to it. That's you, Caleb. Go, Caleb. Keep going. Keep
Straight up,
going.
boys.
That's exactly it. Take that shot, Liam. Drop back, Caleb.
Nice job, guys.
Whenever you get that touch.
Alex, go to Alex. Kaden, go to Alex. Alex.
Back, Michael, back. Let's go. Get that ball.
Nice look,
There
Alex.
you go, Leo. Where's he going?
Boys, please relax.
Cody, you gotta do it to our,
Go
Oh,
after
you gotta
it.
go to our player.
Come on, Liam. Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan.
Nice job, Eli. Keep fighting, boys. Keep fighting.
Hey, back on defense. Lincoln, watch it.
Get up.
Guys, hey, boys. Good luck.
Kick ball.
Okay? Don't do that.
Get there, so be there. What are you doing, Colin? He thinks he's going
Nice,
again.
Eli, nice. Hunt it. Go, boys. Use your speed. Nice job. Corner, Nick. Corner. Cam, just go pick it up. Hey, Nick. Just come pick it up. Stand right next to him.
Ethan, stay up here, Liam.
CJ, no,
Drop back,
Nicholas, get
drop
close,
back.
Cam.
Liam,
Cam, get
Liam,
close, yeah.
drop back. Get that guy right over there. Get that guy. Quick. There you go.
Yeah, not bad. Hustle, Eli. Hustle. Drop.
Work together, now spread.
Nice job, Alex.
Spread. Get in there, Leo.
Hey, good hustle, Cam. Cam, nice hustle, dude. Spread out, guys. Spread out. Spread out. Patience, Cam. Good shot. Hey, good try, dude. I'll give it.
What is that? Ref, is it throw? Spread out, guys. Spread out. Hey, good job. Tatum, come on. This player has it. Leo, keep it going, man. Just another minute or two. Let's go. Ethan, feet down. Ethan, Caleb, move. Down line. Caleb, eyes on it. William, set it down. William, set it down. Yes, now pass.
Eli, turn around, buddy.
Pass.
Back up, Cam. There it is, Cam.
Oh,
Go.
not right.
Straight out, forward.
Come
straight
on,
out.
Leo.
There it is, Cam.
Come back, Caleb.
Straight out, Nicholas. Yeah, dude. You found it. There we go. Good job, boys.
All right, let's go. Get it back.
Great job. Great job.
Get up! You okay, Paul? Go again!
Get in there, boys.
Move close, Liam, for a pass.
Eyes up. Spread out. Spread out. Nicholas, you got it this way, buddy. Good job, guys. Good job, boys. Hey, good job, boys.
Face that
Hey,
way.
bring it in. Let's shake hands.
Face that team.
Come
Come on, Ethan, let's go. Come on, Ethan. Hands out. Nothing but good things left. Good game only. Go, boys. Go. Good game. Good game.
Nice shake hands.
Liam C, quit it. Good game. Good game, coach. All right, come on. Liam C, hey, go.
Come on,